If your airbag warning light is on, you may be able to reset it without using a scanner. Follow these step-by-step methods to turn off the airbag light. Method 1. Battery Reset Power Drain Method. Turn off the car, remove the key or put the vehicle in off mode for push-button start cars. Disconnect the battery. Remove the negative terminal first. Then remove the positive plus terminal. Press and hold the brake pedal for 30 seconds. This drains any stored power. Wait 15 to 30 minutes to allow the airbag module to reset. Reconnect the battery. Attach the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal. Turn the ignition to on for key start cars or press the start button without pressing the brake for push button start cars and wait for dashboard lights to cycle. Start the car and check if the airbag light turns off. If the light stays off, the issue is temporary. If it comes back, try the next method. Method 2. Airbag Reset via ignition or push button start. Some vehicles allow manual resetting of the airbag system. For key start cars, insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the on position but don't start the car. Watch the airbag light, it should turn on and stay on for about 7 seconds, then turn off. As soon as the light turns off, turn the key to off and wait 3 seconds. Repeat this process 3 to 5 times, on, wait for light, off, repeat. After the last cycle, start the engine and check if the airbag light is off. If the airbag light turns off, your reset was successful. For push-button start cars, press the start button without pressing the brake. This puts it in ignition on mode. Wait for the airbag light. If it turns off after about 7 seconds, press the start button again to turn the car off. Wait 3 seconds, then repeat the process 3 to 5 times. After the last cycle, press the brake and start the car. If the airbag light turns off, your reset was successful. If the light stays on, try another method. Method 3. Check under seat connectors and seat belt sensors. Loose or disconnected airbag sensor wires under the seats can trigger the airbag warning light. Turn off the car and remove the key or turn off push start mode. Locate the airbag sensor connectors, usually under the driver and passenger seats. Check for loose or damaged wires. Wiggle the connectors to see if they are loose. Unplug and replug them to ensure a secure connection. Turn the ignition to on or press the start button without the brake and check if the airbag light turns off. If the light disappears, the problem was a loose connection. If it stays on, try another method. Method 4. Seat belt sensor reset. A faulty seat belt pretensioner can also trigger the airbag warning light. Buckle and unbuckle the seat belt 5 to 10 times to reset the sensor. Start the car and check if the light disappears. If the airbag light turns off, the issue was with the seatbelt sensor. What if the airbag light stays on? If none of these methods work, your car might have a serious airbag system issue. The best next steps are: scan for airbag fault codes if you get access to a scanner. Check the airbag fuse in the fuse box. Consult a mechanic if the problem persists. Conclusion: these DIY methods can help turn off the airbag warning light without a scanner. However, if the light keeps coming back, it's best to get a proper diagnosis. Safety is important, and driving with a faulty airbag system is risky. Did one of these methods work for you? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car troubleshooting tips.